Chief Minister N. Biren yesterday conveyed a meeting for ruling NDA legislators at CM Secretariat and took several decisions, including mass operation to nab Kuki militants who were involved in killing of 6 innocent women and children in Ziribam within 7 days. In the meeting that was held last night, NDA legislators also approved a resolution to declare Kuki militants responsible for killing of innocent civilians as unlawful organizations within 7 days. They also decided to immediately hand over the cases related to Ziribam killings of 6 innocent Meitei civilians and also killing of Mar woman to National Investigating Agency. It also decided to give NIA the responsibility for investigating the killing of Meitei woman, a farmer in Saiton, Bishnupur. The meeting also resolved to urge Center for Review of Reimposition of Armed Forces Special Powers Act in few police stations in both Hill and Valley districts. While condemning the attack at MLAs and ministers' residences, the NDA legislators also decided to initiate legal action against miscreants based on finding of a high-powered committee. The NDA legislators also resolved to decide future course of action in consultation with people of the state if the resolutions taken in the meeting are not implemented within the specified period.
Fruitful, sir. Fruitful. The
Boom, hata bhai.
You can speak in Manipuri also. You can speak in Manipuri also. Yes, sir. What do you think about the main list?
अरे boom ना माँ, down कर boom.
Wait, please wait. Kingdom, happy mo, sir.
Meeting ये अकोई resolution की copy दो आई मैं आप लोगों ने share तो जरूर करी resolution point तो यहाँ में अरुणा अदु की detail तो तुम
हाथ down करना छोड़ो.
Sir, तो जिली बांग दान बोले happy mo.
अदु की detail तो
अच्छा सही.
whatever every physical resolution लाओ ये बखोलियो में आप लोग लोग नहीं आओ.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.